Hello everyone, this is the ascending triangle chart pattern. The ascending triangle needs at least two resistance lines in a horizontal sequence, which means at least two straight lines, and needs two support level to the upside to be valid. Two taps on the trend line is mandatory. Anything above that is bonus and furthermore confirmation. This is the diagram which I have drawn for you. As you can see, straight resistance line and the support lines to the upside. This is the hypothetical example of ascending triangle. The ascending triangle can be found in uptrend or downtrend. The ascending triangle is bullish pattern only. Whenever you spot ascending triangle on the chart, it has strong possibility of breaking through the upside. This is the ascending triangle which I have drawn for you below. The interpretation is that we should wait for breakout. Let's suppose the price is consolidating over here. We should wait for breakout to the upside. When the breakout happens, this will be our buying point, this one. And the target for this pattern would be the same. We have to measure this. This is approximately 42% up. Our take profit would be here, 42% up. This would be our take profit zone. So we should wait for the breakout, and after that we should buy, and our take profit would be here. Let's go to the chart and find some ascending triangles on the chart. As you can see over here, we have clear straight resistance level over here. Let's mark it. This is the resistance level. We need at least two taps which have been made perfectly, and the support lines to the upside, which makes perfect ascending triangle, as you can see. This is the perfect ascending triangle. Now the candle closed above this, which means this is our buying zone. Let's measure this. It's approximately 8% the distance of this triangle. So 8% would be a take profit. This would be a take profit. As you can see, the price was consolidating, broken, and hit its target, as you can see over here. Ascending triangle is a strong bullish pattern, so you guys should be aware of it. Let's find another example. As you can see over here, straight resistance lines and support line toward the upside. Let's measure the distance. Approximately 17%. As you can see over here, the triangle got broken and straight towards take profit. TP hit it. So this was the ascending triangle. I hope you have understood. Let's move on to our next lecture.